Okay, how do you make your own custom levels? You're going to use my game, which is there's going to be a link in the description. This is based off of Griffpatch's video series on how to create a platforming game. And I'm working through it and then figuring out how I can share that with you so that you can do some of the fun stuff. And then maybe you want to go back into the coding. You should watch Griffpatch's videos. They're very good. They're very detailed. They took me quite a while to work through, but they're excellent. So how do we add levels? Well, if you take a look, you'll notice now that instead of a stage backdrop, I have what's called a sprite that's called level. And if you look under level, there are the costumes here. There's the code and the costumes. And there are these different costumes. I'm sorry. Yeah, they're costumes. And they're basically, we've named them scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. The naming is very important. You must name it scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 with no spaces, capitalized just like this. And that's going to help you make more levels. So I'm going to just play my level here for a second so you can see. There's scene 1 or level 1, there's scene 2, and there's scene 3. Now watch what happens when I go off of the screen on scene 3. You're going to see the number at the top just change to scene 4, but it's the same exact level. Scene 4, scene 3. So uh, I've got to add another level for it to actually go there. So let's, how do I do this? Duplicate. Let's duplicate it. So I've just duplicated my last level. Okay. I'm going to click on it. And there's a couple really cool things here to help your levels line up. Okay. So my characters just left the screen and there was this bar here in the sky. We're going to, now all I have to do is name this. Did you see that? It actually auto named it scene 4. I didn't even have to change the name. But if for some reason it's not named properly, you need to make sure it's named properly because the way the code works, it is saying, hey, look for join scene and then switch to scene 4. So every time you walk off the side of the screen, your character, the code is then saying, hey, change to a new scene. So, and if you move back this way or this way. So what we're going to do is we're just going to create our levels. And this is all you have to do. You go to click on the level, you go to costumes and you duplicate it. And then you can take it. And my suggestion is you highlight it like this. This is a really interesting technique. You highlight the whole thing with a square. You center that square so it's locked in to that, the little targets are locked, okay? And then you click on the selection tool and you select everything like this. So they're all selected and you're going to flip it horizontally. What that's going to do is it's going to make it perfectly line up at the start of the level with the level you just left. So I'm going to just click off. I'm going to click on this purple square and hit delete. Now let's just try going on to back to scene 3 there. Let's see if I can speed run this. Ugh. Oh yeah. Oh, so good. Let's see if I can get up on this. Boom. And look at that. It perfectly lines up so that like my character can fit right to that level. It's kind of cool how that works. And then I can do whatever I want over here. I can take this level, copy it, paste it, do something different. And you can make as many levels as you want. You'll see that now scene 5 is just going to be a repeat of this scene over and over again. So, and actually it just glitched out. It just got stuck there for a second. So anyway, have fun, recreate all these levels, make it totally your own game, add your own character. I will be getting into adding enemies, adding power-ups, adding coins, points, wall jumping, all those things as I learn. And literally, I'm just going to tell you, this is who I'm using. I'm using Griffpatch, code a platformer game, and I am just going through the tutorial. So my next one is code a platformer, hitboxes, and animation. So like actually animating your character. Oh boy, I'm excited about that. But right now, I'm not there yet. I'm still learning. So have fun making your own levels. I'd love to see what you make. And if you're one of my students, we're gonna make something cool and share it with other people in class. Have a great day. And the link for this game that you can make your own version of, I will put in the description of the video. Have a great day.